Flavors mostly comes from, but I'm not talking about flavor. Stop animal murdering, torture. For me, you can make anything taste great. Now, I've never tried making poop taste good, but I'm pretty sure you could. So it's not just about flavor, it's about the nutrients. And everybody is not the same in the world. So for example, there are people who have deadly allergies to strawberries. I love strawberries. I had a lot of strawberries, but there's no way I would come out and said everybody needs to eat strawberries, like boom booms, right? On the same note, if I was allergic to strawberries, I would never come out and say no one should eat strawberries, right? We are different beings. We're all the same species, but we're wired differently. Some people's guts can handle meat, they need meat. Some people can't, right? So everybody's diet should be fine-tuned to what you like, what you're okay with. I don't like this blanket statement, everybody should eat meat, everybody should not eat meat. It doesn't make sense, right?